love see what go on in my video. You understand? I like to know why that focus on her something. Love see. Look at that. No. Be careful, remember the phone behind you.
You ready? Come.
Your phone with your bride, so make it stay.
Oi, move. Move.
Want more money, baby?
Yeah, more money.
Yes.
Move it, lah. Jesus, this little dog.
Pizza hard, you feel boy. Take up. I'll put 6. The 54, the only different one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay,
What are you doing?
you know, see how I go out the door?
Brother,
What?
you just hide.
Move. Move. Alright, so Annie. Alright, come on. Come
No
on.
man, they're too near.
Yeah,
Sorry, I'm going to start this so we can get the dog funny and put him out.
Yeah.
You didn't have a video? It's a video now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't want a video.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, so welcome all. Today we'll be doing a challenge. We're home and just decided let's have some fun. Don't know if we can use this. I'm gonna try.
This may I use.
This is broad, so I think I want to use, but it's too thick. So what we're gonna do, we have some money on the floor, and we're gonna put the blindfold on.
That's a £50 note.
Some $1,000.
$5,000 and how much that? That's how much? 13,000.
Yeah.
Look on him now.
More than that.
Eh? So 3, 5, 7, 10,
890,
14,000.
about 20,000.
14,000 a bill. 5,000 and that's over £50. See Hitler there? He have so much name. So what we're gonna do is, what we're gonna do, Annie? How we're gonna do it?
We're gonna blindfold ourselves,
Yeah.
and we're gonna see how much we can take up with our. I have a spatula or
Me have a
I don't know,
spoon.
egg lifter. He has
Me have
a fork.
A fork, yeah.
Two teeth fork.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get into it.
Ready? With the blindfold. Me I go first, yeah?
No.
Me I go first now. Come, where the blindfold?
Why you want to go first?
Where blindfold? Are you going first then? No?
You know, it's a little before gentlemen.
Yeah, lady before you.
So why
you
we change now?
Are you going first?
Ready?
No, lady blindfold.
And so should I used to say something to think. The unfair if you want to use something broad.
Alright.
You don't like that?
Alright, come, you use.
You want me to use that thing? You prefer that?
Use. No, go use what I use.
Hmm?
You can use what you use.
You don't like that?
Alright,
You
use.
prefer this one, yeah? You take a look at the face, I'm going to say unfair for you. Yeah, use something broader.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to sit down like him since that's how him sit down.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,000 and
Hey,
plus
no.
that's a 19 plus a 5,000 that's a 19,000 and plus 50 pounds.
Oh, no.
That's how much? 10 grand is or 9 grand something. So anything I pick up belongs to her. Anything me pick up
Belongs to him.
alright.
Alright.
So, You ready?
I know the wickedest thing, guys. We did this a while ago. And guess what? It was a video in. And guess what? I won. I got $8,000. He got 6. All the excitement.
So you ready now?
Wasn't on camera. So we're gonna do it again. Alright? Let me know when to start. Oh, how much minutes, by the way?
Mm,
4 minutes?
yeah.
Alright, 4 minutes.
Alright.
Then how you gonna know?
Alright, so.
It's whole teeth. Alright. Ready? Huh?
Yes.
People are watching now.
Go on.
They can't see.
Me not see.
So me not hear nothing.
Money left on the ground though.
Me hear them over.
Be money left on the ground. Money that your dirt. Money that your dirt.
Do I? No money that
Me not.
down here. Me hear. That's so far, isn't it?
They don't
No,
have
what? That sound heavy.
I push
That
them
sound
in.
enough a while ago. Yeah. What? 50 pound one.
That don't look good.
No.
More than that shit. Alright. Alright.
What? Where the money then there?
You have them scattered all over my
Me
place.
not hear nothing.
You have them scattered all over my place. Jesus!
Oh my God, me hear that drop. Me hear that drop.
You missed two of them one time. No. That's best.
Get the 50 pound?
No.
Really? Right, put on the 50 pound
You
note.
don't get it.
Put it down.
If I told you, you pick up all I
Put on the 50.
Me not have
No.
it. If it's pound, no, they are wrong, and if I told they are wrong.
You're sure?
I'm me that you have touch now. I'm no, I don't me that.
Where the money there? You have like a camera too.
You're still on for money. You get money there about 5. Let me move aside.
My God.
Let me move aside.
Yeah, me hear something a while ago. Guys, it's as simple as it seems.
Keep like load.
I can't remember. I hear nothing.
Money they are wrong.
Why you spread out the money? A bunch of me.
I don't mean I you spread them out. Jesus!
You catch it?
No.
That's so funny.
Alright, it's time I cut down here.
You know, we need to know what's probably there.
You have
No money that is coming from.
money for the room.
All this park there,
Alright.
I hear no money.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Money they right
4, 3, 2,
Ah!
1. Alright, your time up.
That don't
How much
fear.
that you catch?
4,000. Look at what I'm
When I
going to
tell you, when I tell you to cut them 3 grand at one time.
Jesus! Guys, just 4.
So you get
Double the
4,000.
first time. 4,000.
I'm about to try this, you know. Move! Me dog and them my money. Hey, dog, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Around, go ahead, man. Look at my money.
My period put this telephone in the hand, you know.
Go ahead. Oh, might eat it, you know. Mop! Give me money. Give me $1,000. Move for yourself. Give me $1,000. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hmm?
And the phone need just carry it.
Down?
No, up.
No, but if I up.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, come now. Come now. see, it's up there. Very good. 9 12. I got
Scratch. Trust you, know. Yeah, I'm feel so big.
Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so guys, it's Dwight's time.
So you get $4,000, right? No, how much money you win?
4,000.
4,000.
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm ready?
Rebel, move. Say hi to your camera. Say hi
Hi,
to YouTube. Not you. Yeah, guys. Say hi to your people, them. Come out of the way. Come. Alright,
Alright.
after 2, 1, 2, so let's start to that. 104, so go ahead. 4 minutes, you say? Shut up. Keep it up. Boy, Kishon! Guys? No, sir.
Sure.
Oh, what?
We catch you there?
Yes. No!
Oh! That catch.
God, no. That's not fair. It's not fair.
Ah!
Belows us there. Guys, belows. 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 Do it, yes, see.
Me not see nothing. Me not
Two
see
teeth. This is... No, sir.
Well, we get the 51.
No. You can't. Won't stop. You lose terribly. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Well, congrats to the wife. I'm going to give you congratulations from now. The first challenge you're going to win on the channel. First challenge you're going to ever win.
Hitler.
And me.
Are you?
Hitler, rebel, everything. That's what
What I need the dog they have. Every time we call him, we give him a different day.
God.
So I'm not feeling money I bro.
Then they're right there. Then choose one. But they give me 4 minutes now.
Alright, how much minutes? Countdown then?
Me don't know.
Countdown.
We got 2 minutes something. No, we can't believe this. We can't really believe this one. Balloons already don't make no sense.
Feel that.
Balloons. My God. What's
Not
up?
carry that, Jen. What time is it? So they can dance.
A room. See music, the meditating is there was saying.
So how me not feel the money?
15 more seconds.
Me not feel the money.
Alright, now count down to 10.
Alright.
From 10. 10. 9. 8.
You don't feel the
7.
50 pound?
6.
50 pound.
5. 4. 3.
You know?
2.
Oh, the right, that's all.
Oh no! Stop. You're too deep.
Take out. No, wait, touch it for you. Don't touch it.
No, but this is what I you're flicking over.
No.
You're too deep.
You don't have to touch
You're too
it.
deep.
Where you take off of the plate?
Take off the blindfold.
Where you take off of the
That
plate?
1 year, you're flinging over there when time after the one.
And the 50 pound, you take off.
No, God knows. Well, you watch it video and you listen. No man, you never
So,
catch it.
we win. Woo-hoo-hoo!
That's unfair.
8, 9, 10, 11,000.
Oh, I'm way too deep. It's deep.
The piece I'm going to win the 50 pound out of your teeth.
No, God, no. When I watch you, will see. No, man. You almost take up it more than one time.
Eh?
So who winner there?
I'm the winner.
So the winner there?
11,000.
The
So
first
5,
challenge you ever win.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Congratulations, Team Dwight.
Thumbs
Team
up.
Dwight for the first.
Always the winner, innit?
Always the winner, always the loser.
Then one time we da play
Everything you always
what
win.
name? No man, what name?
If I challenge with me, you lose. If I
What's in
challenge
my
with
mouth?
Zidane,
What's in my mouth, Charlie?
I mean, you win it for them. Me the winning. Yeah, me win with Zidane, win with you.
Hitler, come, so we get money. Money. Come. Come.
I sleep, you want to go sleep.
Come on.
Come. Money?
Come, see video camera. Come. Look, get famous. See video camera. Look.
Hearted.
On the camera. The camera.
Welcome
Say
to you.
hi guys. Hi guys.
What you?
We know see your belly full.
You want beard, man? You want beard, Dwight?
Alright.
Tomorrow when Zidane come in beard,
I'm
yeah?
the winner.
You want beard. So, winner. Congratulations. Must feel proud, eh? First one. Yes, I do that after with money, don't. Once money involved.
You know what,
$2,000 on the ground. Yes, guys, so that's it. We're out.
Do I do it now?
Money. How come I just watched back the video? Guess what? I think, and I know all of you will agree with me, Dwight did not win the challenge because he cheated.
Me not cheated.
He
Just still in.
didn't give me a chance. I didn't get a chance at the £50 no because he had it all the time in his hand. And furthermore, he took one of them all from off the plate.
So now $5,000 that you don't get.
It doesn't matter. Would I get $10,000 plus $5,000? Would I get $15,000?
So much me did take up.
What, 10? I don't remember.
We get 11.
Alright, 11.
So why you reach at 15,000?
Because would I catch a £50? Would I catch a £50 note?
You ain't gonna get it.
Plus
You
5,000.
ain't gonna get it.
4 plus the 1.
Oh, we have to count.
You take off one for the plate.
Yeah.
At the end of the game, you had the £50 note and a $1,000 note.
Yeah, so that's 5,000 you don't get.
No, the £50 is 10.
You need to cut the 50 pound note.
But you rob me of the chance. You rob me of the chance, so guys.
You didn't get it.
Me know you're not gonna agree with me.
No.
People in the comment section, tell me if Dwight win or not.
Dwight win.
You did not win. You have to cheat to win. So you see,
Me win.
you never win a challenge
Me win.
on your
Me win.
channel.
Me win.
Bye, guys.
Me get 11,000 and
You're
you get.
too thief.
Alright, so you get 5,000 then.
You're too thief.
Yeah, alright, we have to
You're
do
too
something
thief.
upside the door.
No.